In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete domains in Shopify. Whether you're managing your online store or simply cleaning up unused web space, understanding how to delete a domain on Shopify is an essential skill. We'll walk through it step by step to make sure it's a smooth process for you. Let's begin by navigating to your Shopify admin, a familiar place for all store owners where you can control just about every aspect of your online business. Once you're there, head over to the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, where you'll find the option labeled Settings. Clicking on this will bring up a number of different options, all tailored to help you customize and efficiently manage your store. After you've opened Settings, look for and select Domains. This section allows you to see all the domains associated with your store. It's crucial to take a moment here to ensure you're looking at the right list and understand which domain you intend to delete. Now, hover your mouse over the domain you wish to remove. As you do this, you'll notice a small trash icon will appear next to that specific domain. This may seem like a simple step, but it's vital. Shopify has designed it this way to make sure you don't accidentally delete the wrong domain. Take a moment to double check that you're hovering over the correct one before proceeding. Once you're confident, go ahead and click the trash icon. This action will prompt Shopify to begin the deletion process. It's as straightforward as that. If successful, the domain will be removed from your list, and you'll have one less domain cluttering your admin panel. However, there's one more important step to keep in mind. Although you've removed the domain from Shopify, you may still need to head over to your domain provider's website. This is crucial if you want to ensure the domain is fully deleted, especially if you don't plan to use it elsewhere. Log in to your domain provider account and follow their specific instructions to finalize the deletion. Providers might have different processes for deletion, so make sure to check any emails or support documents they may offer. And there you have it. Your domain is no longer associated with your Shopify store. We hope this guide has been clear and helpful for managing your digital real estate. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out to Shopify support or explore their range of tutorials and resources. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.